eating, big boy? Oh goodness, you got some peas, chicken, and rice? Is that yummy? Yeah? Let's see. Oh goodness. Yummy. What's Dita doing? Does Dita want some? Oh, yummy. Oh goodness, use both hands there. Oh, I think Sebastian wants some. Oh goodness, pumpkin. Is that yummy? Okay. Said bye-bye. Bye-bye.